Welcome back to the channel, Exp0sed. Now if you're new, remember to like, to share, and also to subscribe. Now councillors have exposed the Jamaican government after the Prime Minister announced in Parliament that 1.4 billion was approved for constituency-based mitigation and cleaning programs. Now under the program, a $22 million allocation will be given to each member of parliament for minor civil works and sanitation projects, with some already stating that we know the money I go. Area leaders will get the money and individuals in the community will get a fraction of that to do the work. Now he was quoted as saying, at the start of the year, Jamaica had heard that members of parliament would be getting 40 million in January for road maintenance. And then we heard that in August, another 2 million for beautification, such as painting roads, sidewalks, cutting trees, things of that nature. And what is shocking is that none of these funds have come to any parish council. Now, Mr. Douglas further stated that local government minister Desmond McKenzie has failed to properly address the issue facing the local government representatives. He says, I guess at his tenure as minister, he had a valiant attempt to show that he was different, but I guess as time passed, his true colors started to show. So with councillors now saying the 42 million that Jamaicans heard at the start of the year that would be given to parish councils has still not reached parish councils. So now when we hear say another 22 million will be allocated for this new program after recent heavy rains, that bring the sum to 64 million. There's a money them already are talk about. What really take place? Is the money being allocated and then when it distributed, it now reach to certain people, certain areas, certain constituencies? Is that scenario where the money is not being distributed any at all? And this is a problem the state has been facing for years without nobody address it. Meaning, where's the oversight? We want to make sure say the places and the people who are supposed to get the money actually get the money. Is that something the state needs to look into? Or is that something that the state will not look into? Because what takes place is already well known. And the other story is making headlines today.
You know where go on. They got crop circle today.
Set everything and get ready. The pot ready. Seeing bathroom facilities down nationwide. Crowd a come. Food a cook. What is sweet lady her name now? Marsha. Marsha do her thing. Everybody prepare the place fresh. Come and sample. Come and taste. Come and taste. Alright. 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 Alright.
Them say come and see what the Lord has done. That are my soup vendor. She named M0ney. That are my soup vendor. M0ney me buy my soup from. M0ney say come and see what the Lord has done.
Set everything and get ready. The pot ready. Seeing bathroom facilities down nationwide. Crowd a come. Food a cook. What is sweet lady her name now? Marsha. Marsha do her thing. Everybody prepare the place fresh. Come and sample. Come and taste. Come and taste. Alright. 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 Keisha Brown pot a boil. Everything set. Everything I get ready. The pot ready. Seeing? Bathroom facilities down here nationwide. Crowd a come. Food a cook. What is sweet lady name now? Marsha. Marsha do her thing. Everybody a prepare the place fresh. Come.
Lord God. Soup, crab, no, Alice. Soup, crab, no, Alice. Soup, crab, no, Alice. Soup, crab, no, Alice. Soup, crab, and no, Miss Alice. Alice, where the salt and beer there? Soup, crab, and no, Alice. Alice, Lord God, if you did just go to the training, you'd have be the biggest tag out of crap town, you know. If you did just humble yourself and go to the training, you'd have be the biggest tag out of crap circle today. And to the people I'm going to talk about there is no gloves, I'm going to say this too now. Them a sell soup and them set up them hand wash station. Once them wash them hand regularly, that is good enough. Because if them are going to use gloves, them have to go use at least 100 pair of gloves for the day. A box of gloves in Jamaica almost $4,000. One must be reasonable to the people them. They must spend $4,000 every day buy gloves to come serve one $200 soup or one $300 soup. Soup, crab, no, Alice. Only salt and beer, no, Alice. Only salt and beer, no, Alice. But be reasonable now. Gloves not carry germs. And when you're in the kitchen and every day you use no gloves. Me a chef, and me gonna say this to you. If them for use gloves, them have to change gloves every time them sell somebody else. Because them are come in contact with different people. Once them sanitize them on, sanitize, rinse and wash them on several times per day, them good to go. Wash hand. So if you're looking at the videos of them hand wash station, them for wash them hands several times for the day. And if you stop it, man, you go on like you don't know not more than nobody else. Let me sanitize myself. Soup, crab, and no, Alice. Leave the vendor, they make them prosper now. Leave the vendor, they make them prosper now. And the thing, you can't go on like you don't want to scrutinize them. Wash your hands as half thing. No executive chef and no chef in a kitchen in a gloves. Gloves can cross contamination. Cause she in a gloves she deal with the soup and then she gonna do the same gloves.
Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Some people say without the video they are circulating social media, the state would have never step in. And there'd be no intervention on the part of the defenders and the crab circle. Tell me if you believe, say, these vendors previously had no food anglers. I also want to answer a question. Do you think that if in days to come, Alice returns and is again given a spot because she got to do the necessary training, you feel like our customer them will still support her, seeing what take place on the media? And if customers still support her, would that be a good enough reason to have her stay? Talk to me in the comment section. If you're new to the channel, this is a pass through. Subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. Now, until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours, of course, for to live, love, and prosper, for to stay tuned.